I'm Phil Sorrell, COO of Selified. Selified is a cloud-based identity verification service that can verify anyone from anywhere in the world on any device. And it's ideal for onboarding processes or if you need to do two-factor authentication. If you're talking about big picture trends, I think what we've seen recently is a massive explosion in channels. But if we're now looking at what's going to happen going forward, I think we're going to see a revolutionising of the back end, and that's going to require service providers to focus on how they deliver that, and that's going to mean a great deal of interest in the whole RegTech arena. The benefits and opportunities for banks to build on the Finastra platform, FusionFabric.cloud. Let me give you an example. Selified is a cloud-based platform to verify people. And because we've integrated with the platform, we've done all the heavy lifting. And that means that organizations that are going to need to exploit that and benefit from it can do it much more quickly. They get a head start because they don't have to do the integration or the testing, and they can launch their services and exploit it much more quickly. These emerging technologies like artificial intelligence and open APIs are all examples of the ways in which banks are going to have to compete in the future. And because we've been able to embrace those, Selified itself uses artificial intelligence, we've taken the trouble to do that and implement it on behalf of the organizations themselves. And when it comes to exploiting that, the likes of which PSD2, the open APIs, is going to cause a rapid acceleration in new innovation in financial services, then the banks themselves can focus on their customers and what they need to do, as opposed to the technology and how they do it. So over the next 12 to 24 months, we're going to see a lot of innovation around a couple of big things. There's PSD2, which is going to force organizations to become more open and to give access to their platforms. But at the same time, the GDPR is tightening the regulation around this. So the whole aspect of platformification is going to become quite crucial, because those organizations that are embracing it will find that they're able to take advantage of the exploitation of the APIs while adhere to regulatory constraints far more easily and be more cost efficient at what they do and how they focus on their own customers and differentiate their own brand than those that don't. Now, we may not be able to predict precisely what's going to happen in the next 12 to 24 months, but I'm pretty certain that those that are adopting that strategy will be much better placed in terms of their ability to respond and react than those that don't.